Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra and let me show you how to turn on and off camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode with back camera, so let's change it to the front one by simply tapping on this button from the right, because mirror effect works here only when we want to take selfies. Now let's move to right corner button, so we can get access to more options about camera we can manage, and from here we have to tap to left settings to open them. Here at the second place we have mirror front camera option, so now by using this button from the right we can easily turn off and turn on camera mirror effect as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.